the Chime debit card, the Chime credit builder card, the Chime metal credit builder card. I have all three here with me today, but we're not quite talking about the cards that Chime offer you in this video today, but we're going to go over Chime in general, the whole app, all of what it offers, and just some of the benefits it come with. So let's dive deeper into that. So I do have a fair amount of videos on my channel about Chime, but in this one, I'm going to do it a little differently. I'm going to show you Chime from my point of view, like using the app and kind of all the things that they offer within the app, kind of all the things that can come off as a perk or some of the things that could benefit you as a Chime user. Okay, so we're going to start with opening up the Chime app. And I have Face ID set up so it automatically opens up. You may have to log in or however you get it set up. But the first thing you see whenever you open up the Chime app is the promotion they're running for $175. So basically, for a limited time, earn $175 when a friend joins Chime. They'll get $100 too. Expires March 9th. So basically, how it works is whenever you get a qualifying direct deposit of $200 within 45 days of opening up the Chime bank account, you get a referral bonus. So you would get $100 and I would get $175 with this promotion running. So if you were to use my link in the description, it would unlock that. But of course, you would have to get the $200 direct deposit first. So if you do want to use that link in the description, it does help the channel out. But if you want to use a friend's, a family member that has Chime, that is also a route you could take. Either way it goes, you don't want to miss out on that extra bonus money if you're going to do it anyways. But right underneath there is Credit Builder. So you do have to unlock Credit Builder. It does not just come with Chime, but the way that you unlock the Credit Builder is a few different steps, which I talk about in multiple videos. I'm not going to go too deep on that in this video, but basically I can tell you kind of what it does. And I'm going to actually read it from here. And you can see here that you have available spend, and that is the current balance in your Credit Builder. But underneath there, you see move money to Credit Builder. So basically, when you move money to your Credit Builder, you're taking money from your checking account and basically transferring it over to your Credit Builder. And there's a lot of moving parts when it comes to this. So to explain it all in this video would make it a video strictly about Credit Builder. So I'm going to go ahead and read what the Credit Builder is all about. I'm going to click here, and then it's actually going to take me to a different page where it says how Credit Builder works. So move money to Credit Builder first, move money to Credit Builder. The amount you add determines how much you have available to spend on your credit card. The money you add lives in your secured account. So basically, the money you take from your checking account and add to your Credit Builder account will be on the Credit Builder account. So spend with confidence. When you make a purchase with your card, we instantly update your available to spend amount. This means you'll always know how much you have left to spend. So basically, anytime you make a purchase with your Credit Builder card, they will immediately notify you how much you spent and how much you have left on your Credit Builder card, which I've used this to build my credit personally. I don't use it as much as I used to, but it was definitely a lifesaver in building my credit because it definitely helped me build it a lot quicker if I didn't use it. Build credit with easy on-time payments in full. At the end of the month, the money from your secured account can pay your balance. This will automatically happen on time when you turn the safer credit building feature on. And basically, once you do that, rinse and repeat. You'll continue to move spending money into your secured account, which will update your available to spend amount. You'll always know how much you can spend and have money set aside for easy payments every monthly cycle. So it is really what it said it is, and is a very good process, especially if you're trying to build your credit. For those people who have new or trying to rebuild their credit, I feel like the Credit Builder card is perfect for those type of people. But if we move back and go out of here, we can get back to the Credit Builder tab. Basically, underneath that button is some transactions. We'll jump right into the next one, and that's the checking account, and it just shows you your balance underneath there and some more transactions. If you get any referrals, it will show you your referral bonuses and stuff like that, which is pretty neat. Underneath that is Spot Me. Get up to $200 of fee-free overdraft, and I think that's pretty cool. And then underneath that is your savings account. So however much money you have in your savings account, it will show the balance underneath there and whatever transactions. And then pay everyone. Basically, with Chime, you can pay pretty much anyone with any bank account. With the Chime app, you can track your credit, and it's pretty accurate from my experience, but I'm sure other people have different experiences, but it is pretty good. Bills, view reoccurring payments, get your paycheck early, set up direct deposit and get paid up to 2 days early, which that is a cool feature, but I actually use that with a different bank. So if you did decide that you want Chime to be your number one bank or the bank you use first, then you do have that feature. And that's pretty standard. That's starting to become the new norm. Chime does offer that. Linked bank accounts. So you can link your bank accounts to Chime when you want to transfer money or you want money to be deposited into a different bank account of that nature. Underneath there, it shows you how many referrals you brought Chime, and you can max out at $1,000. So once you max it out at $1,000, you can no longer earn any money from referring people. That's also why I say if you have a friend or a family member, you can use their link if they have Chime to help them out. I currently did not max mine out. If you want to help me do so, I would greatly appreciate it. The link is in the description. Then underneath that is earn more and save money. Make extra money and spend less on essentials with these hand-picked partner offers. So basically there's merchants that partner with Chime, and whenever you use those merchants, whenever you use the Chime app, you basically get a discount or some cash back. The next tab is move money. So this one is pretty much self-explanatory. Add money to Chime, move your direct deposit, transfer from other banks, transfer from payment apps like Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, mobile check deposit cash. So that one is new and I never use that feature, but whenever I do use it, I definitely will be letting you guys know. Transfer money and payments, transfer funds, pay everyone, mail a check, pay bills electronically. So these things can come in handy, especially if you need them, if you pay things in a certain way. This is the place you go to if you do use Chime mainly in order to make those payments. Okay, so the next tab is pay everyone, like I was talking about earlier in the video. But basically, if you want to with Chime, you can sync all your contacts. It will put the people closest to you within the app, and then you can send money to those individuals. And like I said, the person that you send the money to doesn't necessarily need to bank with Chime in order for you to send money to them. It did act kind of finicky when I tried to use it, which was a while ago, but they definitely could have fixed that. And then the last tab is Cash Map. Basically, they have fee-free ATMs, but they're not banks. They're actual stores. So basically, some of the stores that they use are Speedway, CVS, Walgreens, Target, stuff of that nature. So basically, if you need to deposit money or withdraw money, you will go to those places in order to do so, because Chime does not have any physical locations for anybody that was unfamiliar. So they partner with these places in order for us or people who use Chime to have a place to deposit money or withdraw money. And I've actually used this a couple times and it's pretty convenient. But that's the walkthrough of the Chime app and some of the things that it offers. If you were ever wondering or you don't have Chime or you was right there on the fence and you're thinking about getting it, these are some of the things you can expect when you bank with Chime. But with that being said, I'll see y'all on the next one.